Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is John. Today I want to discuss about with you the topic digestion in human beings. The digestion in human beings is very important in our daily life. The definition for digestion is this process of breaking down of complex substance into simple substance with the help of enzymes and absorbed into the body is called digestion. Again, I will read once. This process of breaking down of complex substance into simple substance with the help of enzymes and absorbed into the body is called digestion. The parts that involved in the digestion is mouth, salivary glands, esophagus, stomach, pancreas, large intestine, small intestine, rectum, anus, appendix, gallbladder, liver. These are the parts that involved in digestive system that you are seeing in the picture. So today we are going to discuss the topics are buccal cavity, salivary glands, food pipe, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, etc. Now we start with buccal cavity. Buccal cavity contains three parts. Those are tongue, teeth, salivary glands. First one, teeth. In teeth, there are two sets of teeth. Temporary teeth or milky teeth. There are 20 milky teeth in child. In adult, 32 permanent teeth are there. Depending on food habits, there are four types of teeth: incisors, canines, premolars, molars. Incisors are useful for cutting the food. Canines are useful for tearing flesh. Premolars are useful for grinding and crushing. Molars are useful for carnivorous animals. Now we discuss how many teeth are there in half of the jaw. In one jaw, either lower jaw or upper jaw, if we take half of the jaw, there are two incisors, one canine, two premolars, and three molars. The human dental formula is 2123 by 2123. Now, salivary glands. In buccal cavity, there are three pairs of salivary glands. Two pairs of salivary glands are located in the beside of lower jaw and another is below the ears. Now, tongue. Tongue is made by muscles. After the chewing with teeth, the taste buds on the tongue will tell us the taste. With the help of the tongue, we can move the food in our mouth from here to there and there to here, and we can send or swallow the food into our food pipe. Saliva. Saliva is useful as lubricant. In saliva, one enzyme is there, that is amylase. This amylase react on carbohydrates and form as maltose. Next, food pipe. Food pipe is very essential for the digestion or the swallowing of food into the stomach. It is 25 centimeters long. Inside the wall of the food pipe, mucus layer is there. When food is swallowing here, some movements are there. These movements are called peristaltic movements. See, in the food pipe, the food material is going down. Here some movements are there. That movements are called peristaltic movements. These movements are called peristaltic movements. See there, that movements. In the wall of the food pipe, there is a mucus layer. See, there is a thick layer that is called mucus layer. Here, the semi-solid food material. See, there is yellow color food material. This food material is called bolus. The food breaking and chewing and crushing is called mastication. The food come down and reach to a sac-like structure is called stomach. It is a sac-like structure. In the wall of the stomach, the layer mucus is there. This wall of the stomach secretes gastric juices, contains two acids, HCl and pepsin. HCl has 1.5 to 2 pH in stomach. Pepsin will digest here. Protein will react with pepsin and form as peptins. After digestion of food materials in stomach, this food material is called chyme. In the backside of the stomach, it has 3 doors. It has secreted some juices, it known as bile juice. From liver, this secrete on the fat, simplifying the complex fat into simple compound fat is called emulsification. Again, I will tell you. These bile juice react on fat and these complex fat turn into the compound fat. This reaction is called emulsification. This bile juice present in the gallbladder, which is secreted from the liver. The fat juices released into a small wall is called duodenum. It is in alkaline state. In the alkaline state, the juices and enzymes are active. In the alkaline state, the juices and enzymes are active. The bile juice react and neutralize the chyme. Now we will discuss about the small intestine. After the process of stomach means the process of reacting of acids like HCl and pepsin, digestion of protein and form as chyme, bile juice react with fats. After this all process, the involving of small intestine starts. It is a tube-like structure. The small intestine starts from the small duodenum. The small intestine is divided into 3 parts. Those are duodenum, jejunum, ileum. When it comes into duodenum, it secretes bile juices. When it is in alkaline state, this food is called chyle. In the food pipe, the food material is called bolus. In the duodenum or in the stomach where the bile juice is secreted, it is called chyme. When it came to small intestine, it called as chyle. Totally digestion is completed in ileum in the small intestine. In the walls of the small intestine, some enzymes are released called sucrase and intricase. These two enzymes are peptidase and sucrase. Peptidase react with peptidase and form as amino acids. Sucrase react with sucrase and form as glucose. In the inner side of the wall, small intestine, some finger-like projections are there. They are called villi. Which are called villi? Some finger-like projections in the small intestines are called villi. Villi can absorb the food material and expand the area. The food is absorbed by the villi can mix with the blood. Remaining undigested material means the waste material which we eat and water move to the large intestine. Now, large intestine. The starting point of the large intestine is Appendix. See in the picture. When I am explaining, observe the picture very carefully. Appendix. The undigested material and water come through large intestine and store in colon. After it's stored in colon, it sends through anus. The undigested material or water comes throughout the anus. This is called defecation. What is the definition of defecation? The undigested food or water comes out through the anus is called defecation. Now I will show the flowchart of human digestive system. See here, there is a flowchart of human digestive system. From food, it transport to mouth. From mouth, it transport to buccal cavity. From buccal cavity, it transport to pharynx. From pharynx, it transport to esophagus. From esophagus, it transport to stomach. From stomach, it transport to duodenum. Here, the liver and pancreas are secreting bile juice. Here it is in alkaline state. Next, the start of small intestine is begin. Next, the waste material go to large intestine and stored in colon and rectum and comes out through the anus. This is the flowchart for human digestive system. Now I will show a unlabeled human digestive system. You have to find out the parts. See, this is unlabeled diagram of human digestive system. Label that. See the parts now I will tell you. First one, mouth. Second part, esophagus. Third part, stomach. Fourth part, small intestine. Fifth part, large intestine. Sixth part, anus. Seventh part, rectum. Eighth part, gallbladder. 10th part, liver. Now I will show some digestive enzymes that are in our body and digest the food materials like carbohydrates, proteins, some other fats like something. These are the enzymes that react on or that there are in our digestive system. Mainly bile juice, pepsin, amylase, trypsin, lipase, peptidase, sucrase. These are the mainly all the enzymes. Amylase react on carbohydrates and form as maltose. Pepsin react on protein and form as peptones. Trypsin react on carbohydrates proteins and form as peptones. Lipase react on fats and form as fatty acids and glycerol. Peptidase react on peptides and form as amino acids. Sucrase react on sucrose and form as glucose. Bile react on fats. Emulsification breakdown of large fats into small globules. These are the enzymes that are in our body which are useful for digestion. Okay friends, bye friends. Thanks for watching. If this video is useful for you, like the video and subscribe. Don't forget to touch the bell icon. You will be notified when I keep the videos in YouTube. Every like is support for me for further videos. Okay, bye friends. See you in next video. Thank you for watching.